Meta, the owner of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, has been unveiling its plan to bring artificial intelligence into our daily routine.
AI is having a very busy year.
There is no doubt 2023 was the year of AI.
We're the world's engine for AI.
Did not expect ChatGPT to get so good.
In the high-stake world of tech, the AI race is on. Microsoft, Google, Meta, and Nvidia are all vying for dominance. But one giant seemed complicitly absent from the conversation: Apple. While Alphabet's Sundar Pichai and Meta's Mark Zuckerberg can't stop talking about AI, Tim Cook barely mentioned it on the stage.
Much was made about Apple's terrible, horrible, very bad, no good start to the year.
What's the AI story with Apple?
The where, why, and what of Apple's AI story.
So why is Apple staying silent in the AI arm race? To understand Apple's approach, we have to look beyond the buzzword. Unlike its rival, Apple doesn't view AI as a standalone product. Instead, it integrates AI seamlessly into its ecosystem of devices, as they have the best in the world. From iPhones to laptops, Apple devices are designed to anticipate your needs, thanks to the algorithms working behind the scenes. But while other companies boast about their AI breakthrough, Apple lets its product do the talking. Financially, the silence on AI might seem like a missed opportunity for Apple. Google stocks up after the launch of Gemini, and Microsoft saw a bump after investing in OpenAI. Meanwhile, Apple's stock has dipped, bringing their valuation from $3.1 trillion to $2.7. But here's the thing: Apple's strategy isn't about short-term gain. It's about long-term sustainability. By focusing on the user experience rather than hyping up AI, Apple cultivates customer loyalty that lasts. Keep in mind that Apple as a company is very concerned about its image. So they won't put out any announcement just to ride the hype. According to industry analysts, Apple's approach isn't a sign of weakness. It's a reflection of its priority.
He has focused on integrating AI within its ecosystem of devices and services. So instead of a GPT moment, Apple sees AI as something that blends into the user experience and is embedded into your device rather than requiring a change of habit.
While other tech giants chase headlines, Apple stayed true to its ethos of putting the user first.
It is our mission in life to make other people's lives easier and to sort of leave the world a bit better than we found.
They developed their product to be the best in the market. Apple understands that AI isn't just about flashy demos or buzzworthy announcements. It's about enhancing the lives of its users in a meaningful way. And in that regard, Apple remained ahead of the curve. So while the AI race heat up elsewhere, Apple stays focused on what it does best: creating innovative products that enrich our lives one device at a time.